Hi, my name's John. If you're here watching my videos, tap the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner. If you like my videos, hit the bell icon so you can get notifications for new videos. And at the end of the video, you can hit the icon in the center and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, good evening everybody. It's Saturday afternoon or evening, whatever you want to call it. It's about 5:30 in the evening, 5/29, 2020. I'm sitting up here at the shop. I've been cleaning up. It's really too hot to get to work on the car. I'm already sweating tons, so I'm waiting for it to cool off so I can get a little bit done. The sun is still up. If you can see the white out at the door, I mean, it's pretty bad, but it's about 90 degrees here, so like I said, I've been doing a little cleanup on the shop. Not a lot, a little bit. At least I'm not stumbling over everything. Got a little bit to do. I'm trying to get it where we can scoot this this Nova over. Let me get to it. That Nova, I want to scoot it over a little bit where we can get another car in here. I don't know which way I'm going to scoot it yet, whichever way's easiest probably. My son's pickup's still over there on the south end of the shop with the front axle out of it. I don't know when he's going to get it together, but you know, he's one of us that has an essential job, and he's been working his tail end off from daylight till dark every day, and he's off today and he's off tomorrow, but he's got things to do, so he's not up here. Tomorrow he'll be putting flags out with the Boy Scouts and, you know, taking them up in the evening, so I don't figure he'll be up here tomorrow either, but I called him, let him know I was up here anyway. Maybe he'll show up sometime, maybe not. I'm gonna try to get some stuff moved out of the way so I can put some shelves up and get stuff in here a little more organized. I kind of put my heater in a shitty spot, but you know, it's one of them things. It's really the best spot for it, if you want to know the truth. It heats the whole shop where it is, so I think I'll just leave it where it is and work around it. My shelves, I've got enough to cover about 5 feet, and then I got some more that I can put up, you know, that'll cover some more footage, but I don't want to crowd anything around that heater too much, so you know, I got to figure out where I'm going to put them and how I'm going to put them up, and you know, there's just things, you know, I got to look at first before I can do anything. But other than that, I'm just sitting and waiting for it to cool off a little bit, because I don't want to wear myself out and then have to go back to work wore out. You know, I go back to work Tuesday myself. So anyway, we'll catch you in a few minutes. Okay, this is what I've gotten done so far. I came through and I ground off all these tack welds, stitch welds, whatever you want to call them. That one's a little sharp. Just cut the shit out of my finger. Ground them down smooth. And I'm going to come in and tack weld them again. I may or may not put that on video. We'll see. I just didn't want y'all to have to watch 4 hours of me grinding this off. That's about how long it took. 2 or 3 anyway. But I got that all ground off all the way down to the bottom, and cleaned up all my shop. Not tripping over too much stuff. You know, I've got a lot to do. You know, when we moved in here, we just kind of threw everything in here. My son's truck is still on jacks. His Suburban's just outside the door. We got the axles changed out, but he hasn't got this one in. You know, we got it pulled out and everything put in that other truck, or the Suburban, right before the world went to crap. That's what our weather looks like right now. It rained for about 2 hours. They say it's going to rain for another 30 minutes or so. It looks worse on camera than it actually is. It's nice rain though. We need it. I've got cracks in my backyard you can stick your leg in, but there's what's left of my firewood after this winter, so you can tell I ain't been up here much. My son's taken more to his house to burn in the backyard in the chimenea. But anyway, I'm gonna get my light set up somewhere else, and I guess start welding on that again. I may or may not film it. All right, we'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, so it's been 4 or 5 months since I've even looked at a welder. So y'all wish me luck and don't give me too much help. All right, we'll see you in a minute. Alrighty, well, it looks like I'm done for the night. Let me pull this off the stand here. I ran out of argon. I couldn't figure out why my welds were getting so poppy. And I realized I wasn't hearing the gas anymore. And I knew something was going on because, let me get out of the way of the light here. There you go. I don't know if I can make this any bigger. I'm controlling it from my iPhone and I don't have it right now, but anyway, that's what the welds look like. Some of them are pretty jacked up because as soon as I strike a weld it blow a hole in it, because where I ground it before here, when I cut it out the first time I was grinding the paint off, I didn't know any better and I ground it way too thin. I'm going to do it a little bit different on the next side, but for right now I'm out of argon, so I'm going to have to wait till the gas place is open to see if I can get some argon. So I guess I'm done for the night. This is the first video I've done in months, so I'll try to get this on tonight and you'll be able to see it tomorrow. But anyway, thanks for watching me, and maybe it won't be so long before I do another video. Alright, we'll see y'all later. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends, alright? We'll see y'all next time. Bye.